Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x800f0801, then please watch this video. The first solution will be to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshooter and click on it. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and fix everything if possible. The next solution will be to reset Windows Update components. How would you do that? So I have a script for you. All you need to do is, I have shared the script in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. Okay, so I'll tell you what the script does. It will disable all services associated with Windows updates. Then it will delete the Windows Update profile. Then it will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. Then it will re-register the DLLs. Then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services and your Windows Update will be back to normal. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.